Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Now we are going to discuss NMMS Maths, chapter name Exponents and Powers. Up to 20 questions completed. So let us begin with the question number 21. Sorry, totally 19 questions completed. Let us begin with question number 20. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us start with question number 20 of NMMS Maths, chapter name Powers and Exponents. Express minus 1 by 32 in the exponential form. Option A, 1 by 16 the whole square. Option B, 1 by 2 the whole raised to 5. Option C, minus 1 by 2 whole raised to 5. Option D, 1 by 2 whole raised to 4. So here express this given number in the exponential form. Our given number is minus 1 by 32. This is what the given number. So here 32 is in the form of base. We have to convert this 32 as a exponential form. So express given number 32, express given number 32 as exponent form. How to convert this 32 as exponent form? We can divide this 32 with the least number. 32 is a even number. We can start that least even number 2. Okay. So let us take 2 and divide this. 2 ones are 2 16s are 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 ones are 2. How many times that prime factor 2 comes? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. So we can say that 32 is our base number. When we are going to convert this 32 as a exponent form, it is in the form of 2 raised to 5. Okay. So 2 is multiplied with 5 times, it gives 32. Now this 32 is converted as prime exponential form. So write this given equation separately. So we can write this as this is minus 1 by 32 is our given number. So here it becomes minus 1 by 2 raised to 5. We can take it separately, minus 1 by 2 raised to 5. Okay. So as we know, this minus 1 raised to 5 is always odd, because minus 1 raised to odd number is always negative, minus 1 only. So there is no change when we are going to take that minus 1, instead of sorry, minus 1 raised to 5 instead of minus 1. So let me take this as whole raised to 5. So 1 by 2 whole raised to 5. 1 by 2 whole raised to 5. Both are same. Minus 1 by 2 whole raised to 5, which is equal to minus 1 by 32. Okay. So we can express minus 1 by 32 in the exponential form as minus 1 by 2 raised to whole raised to 5. So your option C is the correct answer. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see next question. Question number 21 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. A raised to 0 is equal to dash. Option A 0, option B A, option C 1 and option D 1 by A. Here the given number is A raised to 0 is what? So according to the rule, any non-zero number raised to the power of 0, which is always equals to 1. So any non-zero number raised to the power of 0, which is always equal to 1. Non-zero number means 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. You can take any number, but only non-zero number you have to consider. So for example, 1 is not a non 1 is not non-zero number, so 1 raised to 0, or for example 2 raised to 0, 3 raised to 0, can take any non-zero number and its power, when its power is 0, all these numbers should be equal to 1. Okay, so 1 raised to 0 is 1, 2 raised to 0 is also 1, not 2, 3 raised to 0 is also 1. So on up you can take 100 raised to 0, still the answer is 1 only. According to this law, any non-zero number raised to the power of 0, which is always equal to 1. Similarly, A raised to 0 is our given number. A is considered as non-zero number here. So A raised to 0 is also 1. Hence, the correct answer is option C, 1. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 22 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. The value of 3 raised to 0 minus 4 raised to 0 and this whole term with multiply with 5 square. 3 raised to 0 minus 4 raised to 0 into 5 square is dash. Option A 25, option B 0, option C minus 25 and option D 1. So, first we will write our given expression. 3 raised to 0 minus 4 raised to 0 into 5 square is given. Let me calculate one by one. First, we will find out what about 3 raised to 0. As we know, according to the rule of exponent, any non-zero number which is raised to the power of 0, it should be equal to 1. Here 3 is our non-zero number. It rises to the power of 0 and its answer should be 1. Similarly, 4 raised to 0. This is also a non-zero number. It is raised to the power of 0 and it should also 1. According to law of exponent. Law of exponent. Okay. Any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 always equal to 1. So this is what our law of exponent tells. Okay. According to this law, we can easily say that 3 raised to 0 is 1 and also 4 raised to 0 is 1. Now we get this 3 raised to 0 and 4 raised to 0. Substitute it in the given expression. In the place of 3 raised to 0, we have to take 1 minus 4 raised to 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 into, write that pi square as it is. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into, write this term as it is pi square. Okay. No need to calculate pi square because any number it multiply with a 0, the answer should be 0 only. Okay. So 0 into pi square is always 0. Or you can write one more extra step, but it's useless. Why? Because still you get the answer at the end is 0 only. Why? Because 0 into 5 square means 0 into 25. Still it gives 0 only. So no need to do the extra step. Just write here 0 into pi square is 0 only. Okay. So our answer is option B, 0. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 23 of the chapter Powers and Exponents. The value of 4 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to minus 1 into 2 square is dash. Option A 1, option B 4, option C 5, option D 16. Value of our given number is 4 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to minus 1 and this whole term should multiply with the 2 square. Let me find out the answer for this step one by one. First, we will find out 4 raised to 0. According to the law of exponent, any non-zero number raised to the power of 0, it should be equal to 1. So 4 raised to 1 is 1 only according to law. It's enough, okay? No need to write that statement of law. But you should remember that 4 raised to 0 is 1 and find out that 4 raised to minus 1. Minus 1 is nothing but inverse of 4. Okay, inverse of 4 is 1 by 4. So 4 raised to minus 1 is 1 by 4. Similarly, 2 square. 2 should be multiplied twice. 2 2s are 4. Now substitute all this in the given expression. 4 raised to 0 is 1. 4 raised to minus 1 is 1 by 4. So 1 plus 1 by 4 into 2 raised to 2 or 2 square is 4. Now, first you should find out the answer for this bracket inside the number in that bracket. Okay, 1 plus 1 by 4 is there. Take their LCM. So, LCM of 1 plus 1 by 4 is 5 by 4. Do this calculation and cross verify. Okay, you get 5 by 4 only for the LCM of 1 plus 1 by 4. Substitute 5 by 4 in the place of 1 plus 1 by 4. We get 5 by 4 into, write this outside multiplication 4 as it is. So here the denominator 4 and numerator 4 get cancels out. What remains? 5 remains. This is what our answer. So option C is the correct answer. Remaining all are wrong. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 24 of NMMS Maths chapter Exponents and Powers. If A is equal to 3, comma, B is equal to 7, then A raised to B minus B raised to A is equal to dash. Option A 1844, option B 143, option C 169, option D 1279. So here the given expression is A raised to B minus B raised to A. But one more thing given in the question, if A is equal to 3, B equal to 7. So A raised to B minus B raised to A is the given expression. Then substitute A equal to 3 and B equal to 7 in the given expression. So first we will consider this one. First term, A raised to B. A is 3 and our B value is 7. So 3 raised to 7 minus B raised to A. B is 7. A value is 3. So 7 cube. Now we have to find out the value for 3 raised to 7 minus 7 cube. Okay, let me see. 3 raised to 7 is nothing but you should multiply 3 with 7 times. Okay, 3 should be multiplied with 7 times. We get 2187. Do the calculation and cross verify this answer. You got 2187 only. When you should multiply 3 with 7 times. Okay. Then 7 cube. 7 should be multiplied with 3 times. So we get 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. Now substitute these two in this above expression. We get 3 raised to 7 is 2187 minus 7 cube is 343. So 2187 minus 343 we get 1844. This is what our answer. So a raised to b minus b raised to a, when a is equal to 3 and b equal to 7, we get 1844. So option A is our answer. Correct answer is option A. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Planning Solution. Let us see question number 25 of the chapter Powers and Exponents. If a is equal to 1, then the value of minus a raised to 24 plus minus a raised to 17 plus minus a raised to 521 is what? Okay, option A 1, option B minus 1, option C plus or minus 1, option D 0. Now our given expression is minus a raised to 24 plus minus a raised to 17 plus minus a raised to 521. Now take or substitute a is equal to 1. Take a equal to 1 in this expression. Why? Because it is already mentioned in the question. If a is equal to 1. Okay. So if, or we can write here, if a equal to 1 in this expression. Okay. Okay. Then substitute 1 in place of a. So here minus a is there, it becomes minus 1 raised to 24 plus minus a raised to 7 becomes minus 1 raised to 17 plus minus a raised to 521 becomes minus 1 raised to 521. Okay. Now, no need to find out. Multiply that minus 1 24 times, multiply that minus 1 17 times, multiply minus 1 with 521 times. It's highly impossible. Use the law. According to the law, this minus 1 raised to odd number, it gives always negative, and minus 1 raised to even number is that it is always positive. Apply this here. Minus 1 raised to 24. 24 is even number. So even number it should be 1. Minus 1 raised to 24 is 1 only. Plus minus 1 raised to 17. 17 is odd number. When minus 1 raised to odd number is that, answer should be negative minus 1. So plus of minus 1. Then again plus inside that minus 1 raised to 521. 521 is an odd number. It again gives the minus 1 only. Minus 1. Now simplify this. 1 plus minus minus 1 plus minus minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So finally we get the answer is minus 1. So the correct option is option B, minus 1. Remaining all are wrong. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 26 of NMMS Maths, chapter Exponent and Powers. The value of minus 1 raised to 1 plus minus 1 raised to 2 plus minus 1 raised to 3 so on up to minus 1 raised to 100 is what? Option A 1, option B 0, option C 5, option D 100. So the value of this expression, here the expression is minus 1 raised to 1 plus minus 1 raised to 2 plus minus 1 raised to 3 so on up to minus 1 raised to 100. Okay. I will repeat this question one more time. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 26 of the chapter NMMS Maths, Exponents and Powers. The value of minus 1 raised to 1 plus minus 1 raised to 2 plus minus 1 raised to 3 up to minus 1 raised to 100 is option A 1, option B 0, option C 5, option D 100. So here the given expression is minus 1 raised to 1 plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 raised to 3 so on up to minus 1 raised to 100. Okay. Here we should calculate all this one. It's very difficult up to minus 1 raised to 100 calculation. Okay. So we can follow one method, that is let me check, take these two and check. Minus 1 raised to 1 is minus 1 raised to odd number is that. So it is minus 1 only. Then minus 1 raised to 2 means minus 1 should be multiplied 2 times, we get positive plus 1. So on. Okay. All the minus 1 raised to odd, it gives negative. All the minus 1 raised to even, it is always positive. So this continues throughout the minus 1 raised to 100. So we can say that alternatively we get minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, so on up to minus 1 raised to 100. Minus 1 raised to 100 ತನಕನು ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ alternate ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Again minus 1 plus 1 is 0. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 ಬಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ತನಕನು ಝೀರೋನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರು 0 ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮೆಥಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೇರ್. ಈಗ minus 1 plus 1 ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 plus 1 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅನದರ್ ಪೇರ್. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ ಟು minus 1 raised to 100 ತನಕ ನಮ್ಗೆ 50 ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 50 ಪೇರ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಪೇರಿನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 50 into 0 0ನೇ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇರ್, that is minus 1 plus 1 is 0 only. Then second pair, again minus 1 plus 1 0 only. So on. ಇದೇ ತರದ್ದು 100 ತನಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ divided by 2 totally 50 pairs ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So 50 pairs. We get 50 pairs up to minus 1 raised to 100. So 50 ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪೇರಿನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ 50 ಪೇರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಆನ್ಸರ್ 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ 50 into 0 ಏನಾಯ್ತು 0 ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಅಪ್ ಟು minus 1 raised to 100 ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗೋ ಆನ್ಸರು 0ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು minus 1 ಅನ್ನ 100 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಟೈಮ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ use the formulas, short forms and all, find out the answer. So here 50 pairs are there, each pair answer is 0. So 50 into 0 we get 0 only. So the final answer is 0. Hence here correct answer is option B 0. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 27 of NMMS Maths chapter Powers and Exponents. Choose the correct matching. Two columns are given, column 1 and column 2. Column 1 contain first one, the base of minus 2 raised to 8. Second one, the value of minus 1 raised to 2023 plus minus 1 raised to 202. And third one, the value of 3 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 0 whole with multiplication 5 raised to 0. Column 2 contain A 2, B minus 2, C 0. Okay. So the options are like this. Now we will try to find out the column 1 which match with the column 2 one by one. The base of minus 2 raised to 8. Okay. Here minus 2 is our base and always this power place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು it consider as exponent. So here the base of minus 2 is minus 2 raised to 8 is minus 2. So this B match with 1 or 1 which is match with B. Then the value of minus 1 raised to 2023 plus minus 1 raised to 202. Again use here the formula, that is minus 1 raised to even number is always positive 1. Minus 1 raised to odd number is always negative 1. Here minus 1 raised to 2023 is odd number. So its answer is minus 1 plus of minus 1 raised to 202 is our even number. So even number is always 1. Minus 1 plus 1, it gives 0. So here this 2 match with C. Okay. Similarly for third one, the value of 3 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 0 into 5 raised to 0. So we can say that 3 raised to 0 plus 2 raised to 0. 3 raised to 0 is 1 because any non-zero number rises to the exponent of 0, it gives always 1. Similarly, 2 raised to 0 is also 1. Similarly, 5 raised to 0 is also 1. Substitute. 3 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 into 5 raised to 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 only. So we get 2. Hence, 3 match with A. So 1 match with B. Then 2 match with C. Then 3 match with A. So our correct answer is option D. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 28 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. Choose the correct matching. Column 1 and column 2 are given. In column 1, first one, minus 1 raised to even number. Second one, minus 1 raised to odd number. Third one, minus 1 raised to 0 minus plus 1 raised to 0. Column 2, A minus 1, B 0, C plus 1. So find out one by one. Let us begin with the column 1 in that first one. Minus 1 raised to even number. We know that minus 1 raised to even number is, it gives always positive 1. Okay, plus 1. Similarly, second one, minus 1 raised to odd number, which is always minus 1. Okay, we'll prove it with the example. Okay, let us see first one, minus 1 raised to even number. Example, minus 1 raised to 2. 2 is an even number. So you should multiply minus 1 2 times. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus of minus plus, it gives always plus 1. So our answer is plus 1. Second one, minus 1 raised to odd number, it is always negative 1. Example, minus 1 the 3. Minus 1 raised to 3. 3 is odd number. So minus 1 should be multiplied 3 times. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 into minus 1. So plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 only. This is what we get. Minus 1 raised to odd number is always minus 1. Similarly, third one, minus 1 raised to 0, minus 1 raised to 0. So, any non-zero number raised to the power 0, it is always equal to 1. Still here minus 1 is there, but the power is 0. So, it is 1 only. Minus. 1 raised to 0 is again 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now, match. Column 1, first one answer is plus 1. So, here C matches with 1. And second one, minus 1 raised to odd number is always minus 1. It match with A. So, second match with A. And it is third match with B. So, let me check which option is correct. First one should be C. Second, B1. Second should be A. And third should be B. So, option B is our answer. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 29 of NMMS Maths, chapter name Exponents and Powers. 2 raised to minus 1 plus 3 raised to minus 1 is equal to dash. Option A 5, option B 5 by 6, option C 6 by 5, option D minus 1 by 5. So here the given expression 2 raised to minus 1 plus 3 raised to minus 1. 2 raised to minus 1 is nothing but inverse of 2. It is always 1 by 2. Okay. Similarly, minus 1 raised to, 1 by 2 raised to minus 1 is nothing but inverse of 1 by 2. It is 2. So here 3 raised to minus 1 or inverse of 3, it is 1 by 3. Calculate 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. What we get? Take LCM. Here the LCM of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is 3 2s are, it is 6, 6 and 2 3s are 6, 3 plus 3 2s are 6, 2. What we get? We get 5 by 6. So 2 raised to minus 1 plus 3 raised to minus 1 is 5 by 6. Here the correct answer is option B, 5 by 6. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 30 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. 1 by 4x raised to minus 3 is equal to dash. Option A 4x cube, option B minus 4x cube, option C 4 divided by x cube, option D x cube by 4. So here the given expression is 1 by 4x raised to minus 3. Okay. So let me write it separately. 1 divided by 4 and 1 divided by x raised to minus 3. Okay. Split and write the given expression. Same. Eradu onde 1 divided by 4 x raised to minus 3 andru onde 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 1 by x raised to minus 3 andru onde. So now we have to apply the formula for this 1 by x raised to minus 3 term. Okay. So it is similar to the 1 by a raised to minus n. It is always a raised to plus n. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ 3 ಇದೆ. So let me write 1 by 4 as it is into 1 by x raised to minus 3 is x raised to 3 only. X raised to plus 3 according to this expression. 1 by x raised to minus 3 is x raised to 3. Similarly this one. Okay. By using this formula. Then 1 by 4 into x cube. This x cube is numerator. So it totally becomes x cube by 4. That's why 1 divided by 4x raised to minus 3 is x cube by 4. So option A is wrong. Option B is wrong. Option C is inverse of our answer. So option D is correct. X cube by 3. Answer D. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 31 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. The value of 5 raised to minus 1 into 3 raised to minus 1 whole power minus 1 is dash. Option A minus 15, option B plus 15, option C minus 1 by 15, option D 1 divided by 15. Value of 5 raised to minus 1 into 3 raised to minus 1 whole inverse is what? Okay. So now 5 inverse is nothing but it is 1 by 5. Okay, I will write stepwise. So we can split this expression and write 5 raised to minus 1 raised to minus 1 into 3 raised to minus 1 raised to minus 1, because here minus 1 is whole power for both the terms. Now 5 inverse is always 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 raised to minus 1 into 3 inverse is always 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 raised to minus 1. Now it reduces from two steps to single step. Okay. Now again take inverse of 1 by 5. 1 by 5 inverse is 5 by 1. It is nothing but 5 into 1 divided by 3 inverse is 3 by 1. It is nothing but 3. So we get 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. So it is 15 or 15 by 1 we get. Both are same. Okay. Because 1 ones are 1 15s are, lastly 15 remains. So simply we can write it as 15 but or 15 by 1. Okay. But in the option no 15 by 1 is there. So let us take 15 only. Here the correct option is option B. So actually it is option B is correct, plus 15. Okay. Answer is option B plus 15. This is our answer. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 32 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. Which of the following is the multiplicative inverse of 3 into 10, 3 into 4 whole to the power minus 2? Option A 12, option B 144, option C 1 divided by 12, option D 1 by 144. Okay, so here find out the multiplicative inverse of given number. First we will find out the answer for given number. Later we can take it as a multiplicative inverse. Okay, so the given number is 3 into 4 whole to the power minus 2. The multiplicative inverse for this number. Multiplicative inverse for this number is what? Okay. First, we will calculate the answer for this one. Later, we can discuss about what is the multiplicative inverse. First, find out the answer for this. 3 into 4 whole to the power minus 2, which is equal to 3 into 4. 4 threes are or 3 fours are 12. So 12 to the power minus 2. It is nothing but 12 to the power inverse of 2. Okay, we can take it as 1 divided by 12 whole to the power 2. This minus sign vanishes because 12 becomes 1 by 12. That is called inverse. Okay, so raised to plus 2. It is nothing but 1 raised to 2, 12 raised to 2. 1 raised to 2 is 1 only. 12 raised to 2 is 144. So 1 by 12 whole to the power 2 is 1 by 44. This is what for answer 3 into 4 to the minus 2. But this is not our answer. One more step is remaining. Find out the multiplicative inverse for this 144. So multiplicative inverse of 1 divided by 144 is just to take the reciprocal. Inverse, multiplicative inverse is nothing but reciprocal. Denominator goes to numerator and numerator comes to denominator. So it becomes 144 by 1, or simply it is 144. So our answer is option B. Remaining all are wrong. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 33 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. The reciprocal of a raised to n is dash. Option A 1 by a raised to n. Option B a raised to minus n. Option C both a and b. Option D n by a. Okay, option D n by a. So here reciprocal of a raised to n. Here a raised to n is nothing but a raised to n by 1 is there. Denominator 1 is always neglected. We already know this. Okay. A raised to 1 by a raised to n by 1 is nothing but a raised to n only. We have to find out the reciprocal for this one. We can write it two types. A raised to 1 by a raised to n by 1. Do the reciprocal. 1 goes to numerator and a raised to 1 comes to denominator. So it becomes 1 by a raised to n. This is one reciprocal answer for a raised to n. Another way is that 1 by a raised to n is nothing but a raised to minus n. This is also the reciprocal of a raised to n. Okay, reciprocal of a raised to n can be written in two types. Both are same, or we can choose any one and write. But two ways are there. Reciprocal of a raised to n is 1 by a raised to n and also a raised to minus n. So both are same. Option A is 1 by a raised to n. Option B is a raised to minus n. So C tells that both A and B. So our answer is both A and B is the correct answer, because we can write reciprocal of a raised to n as 1 by a raised to n also and a raised to minus n also. So both a and b is the correct answer. Our answer is C, both a and b. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 34 of NMMS Maths, chapter name Exponents and Powers. Minus 1 raised to n into minus 1 raised to 2 into minus 1 raised to 3 into minus 1 raised to 4 into so on up to into minus 1 raised to 100 is equal to dash. Option A 1, option B 0, option C minus 1, option D plus 2. Here minus 1 raised to 1. So many numbers are there. Find out each one and finally find out their products. So here we can use base and exponent rule. Base and exponent rule. What this rule tells? This rule states that the any number or any numbers which contain same base, so write that base as it is and add their exponents. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಬೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವುಗಳ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಈ ರೂಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ -1, ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 100 ತನಕನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ s raised to n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n is taken as 100 because up to 100th term we want. Okay, so n plus 1 becomes 100 plus 1. It is nothing but 101. Substitute here. Sn is equal to Sn is nothing but for the term up to 100. S 100 is equal to n is 100. N plus 1 is 101 divided by 2. 100 into 101 which gives divided by 2, it totally gives 5050. So 5050. Now take minus 1 raised to 5050 because minus 1 raised to 1 into minus 2 raised to 2 so on up to 100. So minus 1 raised to 100, the term answer is 5050. So minus 1 raised to 5050. This 5050 is even number. As per the rule, minus 1 raised to the power even number is there, it is always positive. Okay, here also minus 1 raised to 5050, it is a even number. 5050 is even number, so it should be plus 1 only, since 5050 is an even number. So total answer what we get is plus 1. Hence the correct answer is A, remaining all are wrong. Thank you. everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 35 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. The prime factorization of 432 is dash. Option A, 2 raised to 4 into 3 square. Option B, 2 square into 3 raised to 4. Option C, 2 cube into 3 raised to 4. Option D, 2 raised to 4 into 3 cube. Okay. So find the prime factorization of the given number. Our given number is 432. We know that how to find out the prime factorization. Prime factorization is nothing but write the given number and divide this as take a least number and start dividing. Okay, so 432, take a least number and start dividing this. So our least number 432 is an even number. So we can easily divide it with the 2. 2 is a least even number. Okay. Let us start with 2. 2, 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and 1 remains 12, 2 6s are 12. So 216s are 432. Again, it can divide with 2. 2 1s are 2, then 1 remains, take 0 and it becomes 16. 2 18s are 16. So 2 108s are 216. Again, take 2. 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. Again, 54 by 2, we get 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. So 27 remains. We cannot divide this 27 with the 2. So next move on to the next least number, that is 3. We can divide this 27 with 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. We got the prime factors. What are those? 2 comes 4 times. Then 3 comes 3 times. Express this in the power form. 2 comes 4 times, so 2 raised to 4 into 3 comes 3 times, 3 raised to 3. So it is 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3. So the correct option is option D. 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3 is the prime factorization of 432. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 36 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. A raised to minus 1 plus B raised to minus 1 into A into B is equal to dash. Option A, 1 by A plus 1 by B. Option B, A into B. Option C, 1 by A into B. Option D, A plus B. Here the given term is A raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1. Whole term multiply with AB. Okay. Let me take this term inside the bracket. A raised to minus 1. It is nothing but inverse of A. So it is 1 by A plus B inverse is 1 by B into AB. Okay. Now find out the LCM for 1 by A plus 1 by B. LCM of 1 by A plus 1 by B. What we get? We get it as A plus B divided by A into B. Okay. Now place this LCM term in this expression. If we get 1 by A plus 1 by B LCM, A plus B by A into B, and write this A into B outside as it is. Okay. Now A into B in one comes in numerator and another one A into B is there in the denominator. So cancel those two things. What we get or what is remaining thing is it is A plus B. This is our answer for A raised to minus 1 plus B raised to minus 1 into A into B. Okay, I will write one more time. So here A into B cancels out. That's why A raised to minus 1 plus B raised to minus 1 into A into B, we get the answer that is A plus B. So option A wrong, B wrong, C is also wrong. B, it is A into B, not A plus B. So option D is the correct answer. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 37 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. 7 raised to minus 1 minus 11 raised to minus 1 plus 7 raised to minus 1 plus 11 raised to minus 1 is equal to dash. Option A 22, option B 2 into 11 raised to minus 1, option C 2 into 7 raised to minus 1, option D 14. Here given terms are 7 raised to minus 1 minus 11 raised to minus 1 plus 7 raised to minus 1 plus 11 raised to minus 1. We will write this without this brackets because middle one plus is there. So first term is 7 raised to minus 1 as it is minus 11 raised to minus 1 plus 7 raised to minus 1 plus is there plus only plus 11 raised to minus 1. Okay, see here before finding their inverse, we can easily cancel the terms here. See, this is minus 1, minus 11 raised to minus 1. This is plus 11 raised to minus 1. So write the terms one by one or rearrange and write it as 7 raised to minus 1 plus 7 raised to minus 1 minus 11 raised to minus 1 plus 11 raised to minus 1. ಸೇಮ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನೇ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ರೀಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು minus 11 raised to minus 1 plus 11 raised to minus 1 plus minus these two terms get vanished. So we get 7 raised to minus 1 plus 7 raised to minus 1 plus 0 or 0 ಇದೆ ಬರೆಯೋ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. 7 raised to minus 1 plus 7 raised to minus 1. 7 raised to minus 1 should add 2 times. So we get 2. 7 raised to minus 1. Okay. So 2 times 7 raised to minus 1 remains. This is what our answer. So here option A is wrong. B is also wrong because B 11 raised to minus 1 is that the term get vanished here. Okay. Cancels out. So option C 2 into 7 raised to minus 1. This is our answer. So the correct answer is option C. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 38 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. 2x by 3 whole raised to minus 3 is dash. Option A, 8x cube by 27. Option B, 8 divided by 27x cube. Option C, 27 divided by 8x cube. Option D, 27x cube by 8. Here, 2x divided by 3 whole to the power minus 3. This is our given expression. Calculate the value for this one. Okay, here minus 3 is there. Remove that minus sign first. So minus shows that it is inverse. So we can write it as 3. Inverse is nothing but denominator goes to numerator and numerator comes to denominator. Exchange there. Okay. So write it outside power as it is, but without negative, because now we already do this as inverse. So write their power as it is. 3 divided by 2x whole raised to 3. Okay, now find out it numerator and denominator separately. We can write it as 3 cube divided by 2x cube. Whole cube is there. Take numerator and denominator separately and do their cube. So 3 cube by 2x the whole cube. So 2x by 3 whole to the power minus 3 is equal to 3 cube is 3 should multiply 3 times. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 divided by 2x should be multiplied 3 times. 2 multiplied 3 times it is 8 and x also multiply 3 times 8x cube. So 2x by 3 whole raised to minus 3 we get 27 by 8x cube. This is what our answer. So option A is wrong because it is reverse of our answer. Option B is 8 divided by, it is fully wrong. Option C, 27 by 8x cube. Yes, this one matches. So here the correct answer is C. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 39 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. A raised to minus 4 into b raised to minus 5 divided by x raised to minus 5 into y raised to minus 3 is equal to dash. Option A, x cube y raised to 5 divided by a cube b raised to 5. B, x raised to 5 into y cube divided by a raised to 4 into b raised to 5. C, 2x cube into y raised to 5 divided by a cube into b raised to 4. D, x cube y raised to 5 divided by a square b raised to 4. So here find out the given expression answer, that is a raised to, given expression is a raised to minus 4 b raised to minus 5 divided by x raised to minus 5 y raised to minus 3. Okay. So first we will write all the terms separately. Okay, a raised to minus 4 is there. A raised to minus 4. Minus is that, remove this minus sign. It minus sign says that it is inverse. So A raised to minus 4 is 1 by A raised to 4. It is 1 by A raised to 4. Similarly, B raised to minus 5. It is 1 by B raised to plus 5. Okay. Then 1 divided by x raised to minus 5 is there in the question. So it becomes x raised to 5. Okay, 1 by x is already there. So inverse becomes x by 1. Simply it is x raised to 5. Similarly, 1 by y raised to minus 3 is there in the question. It becomes y raised to plus 3. So make this conversion first. These all are comes under the law, that is 1 by a raised to minus n is a raised to n, and a raised to n is nothing but, sorry, yes, a raised to minus n is nothing but 1 by a raised to n. On the basis of these two formulas, we can write these terms as it like this. Okay. Now substitute all this in the given expression. A raised to minus 4 is 1 by a raised to 4. So it a raised to 4 goes to denominator. Similarly, b raised to minus 5 is 1 by b raised to 5. So it is also goes to denominator. In 1 by x raised to minus 5, it is x raised to 5, it goes to numerator. So it becomes x raised to 5. And 1 by y raised to minus 3 is y raised to 3. It goes to numerator. So this is what we get here. A raised to minus 4, b raised to minus 5 divided by x raised to minus 5, y raised to minus 3. Answer is x raised to 5 y cube divided by a raised to 4 into b raised to 5. This is our answer. So it match with option A is wrong because it is x cube, not x cube, x raised to 5 actually. So it match with x5 y cube divided with s. It match with option B. C and D are wrong. So our correct answer is option B. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 40 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. The value of a raised to minus 2 into b raised to minus 3 divided by a raised to minus 3 into b raised to minus 4 is dash. Option A raised to minus 1 into b. Option B, a into b raised to minus 1. Option C, ab whole raised to minus 1. Option D, a into b. The value of this one given expression a raised to minus 2 b raised to minus 3 divided by a raised to minus 3 b raised to minus 4. So let us take one by one here. First we will consider a raised to minus 2. Here it tells that minus sign indicates inverse. So it becomes 1 by a raised to plus 2. Similarly, b raised to minus 3 is 1 by b raised to plus 3. Okay, then 1 by a raised to minus 3 is already given in the question. See here, a raised to minus 3 is in the denominator, means it is 1 by a raised to minus 3. So it goes to numerator and it becomes a raised to plus 3. Similarly, 1 by b raised to minus 4 is that it becomes b raised to plus 4. Now substitute all in this expression. This is our given expression. A raised to minus 2, b raised to minus 3 divided by a raised to minus 3 into b raised to minus 4. That's equal to a raised to minus 2 is 1 by a square. It is nothing but a square comes to denominator. Similarly, b raised to minus 3 is 1 by b cube. So it is also comes to denominator b cube. Then 1 by a raised to minus 3 is a raised to 3. It is in the numerator. So b raised to 4 is also in numerator. Now, this is not our final answer because some common terms are there in numerator and denominator also. Numerator contain a cube, denominator having a square. So a square and square cancels out. A raised to 1 is remain in numerator. Similarly, b raised to 4 divided by b cube and 1 cube term get cancels out, remaining b raised to 1 in numerator. This is what our answer. A raised to 1 and b raised to 1, simply called it as a into b. So, option A, B, C all are wrong. A into B is in option D. So, correct answer is D. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 41 of the chapter, Exponents and Powers. Which one of the following is true? Option A, 4 raised to minus 2 is less than 4 raised to minus 3. Option B, 5 raised to minus 2 is greater than 5 raised to minus 5. Option C, minus 2 raised to 4, which is equal to plus 2 raised to 4. Option D, 5 square into 5 raised to minus 2 is greater than 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to minus 5. So, we have to find out the true related to these four options. So let me calculate one by one and later we can easily say that which one is true and which one is false. 4 raised to minus 2 is less than 4 raised to minus 3. First remove this negative sign. So it tells that 4 raised to minus 2 is nothing but 1 by 4 square less than 1 by 4 cube. How to say that it is less than? First calculate the value. Later we will see it is less than or greater than. Okay. So next 1 by 4 square is 1 by 16 less than 1 by 4 cube is 1 by 64. This is wrong. False. Why? Because 1 by 16 is always greater than 1 by 64. Greater than 1 by 64. But this statement tells that it is less than. Okay. So this is correct. This one is wrong. Then B, 5 raised to minus 2 is greater than 5 raised to minus 5. First remove the negative sign. It becomes 1 by 5 square greater than 1 by 5 raised to 5. Let me check. 1 by 5 square is 1 by 25, which is greater than 1 by 5 raised to 5. 5 raised to 5 is nothing but 5 should be multiplied 5 times. We get 1 divided by 3125. Yes, 1 by 25 is always greater than 1 by 3125. This is true. Let me check the remaining also. Minus 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 raised to 4. Minus 2 raised to 4 is minus 16, which is equal to 2 raised to 4 is plus 16. Okay. Actually, it is wrong. Why? Because never minus 16 will become equal to 16. Okay. So this is also false. According to this, they give it as equal, but actually it is false. Minus 16 is not equal to 16. This is true. Okay. Then come to the option D. Pi square into 5 raised to minus 2. Pi square is 25 into 1 by 5 square, it is 25. So 25, 25 get cancelled. So which is greater than 2 raised to 5? 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to minus 5. So totally it becomes 2 raised to 5 minus 5, which is equal to 2 raised to 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. So it is 25 into 1 by 25 is 1, greater than 2 raised to 5 minus 5 is 2 raised to 0. It is always 1. So this option D tells that 1 is greater than 1. This is also false. Actually, 1 is equal to 1 is correct. Okay. So out of 4, which statement is true? Option B is true. 5 raised to minus 2 is always greater than 5 raised to minus 5. So the correct option is option B. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 42 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5 is equal to dash. Option A 5 square, option B 5 cube, option C 5 raised to 4, option D 5 raised to 5. So here given expression is this one. This expression contains so many different prime bases. See, power is exponent and remaining lower number is considered as base. It contains different bases 3, 10, 125, 5, 6. So we must group this bases as a common prime basis. Okay, so break down numbers into prime bases. break down the given numbers into prime bases. Numbers means 125, then 10, 6, all are different. So break down those numbers as the same prime bases. Okay, try to break down those. First, we will break down this 10 raised to minus 5. Okay. So 10 is nothing but it is the product of 2 into 5 and minus 5 is there. So 2 raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to minus 5. It gives 10 raised to minus 5. Okay. Then similarly for 125, it can be written as 5 cube. 5 is multiplied with 3 times, we get 125. Now it converted as exponent and power form. Okay. Then come to this 6. 6 is there. 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. So 6 raised to minus 5 is there. It is 2 raised to minus 5 into 3 raised to minus 5. Okay. Let me substitute all this in the above expression. The expression becomes so 3 raised to minus 5 ಏನು ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. 10 raised to minus 5 ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. It has 2 raised to minus 5 and 5 raised to minus 5. Then 125 ಇದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 5 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 raised to 7 ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. 6 raised to minus 5 ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. 2 raised to minus 5 into 3 raised to minus 5 ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 raised to minus 5 ಇದೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 raised to minus 5 ಇದೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 raised to minus 5 into 5 cube. Both contain same base, so write it common base as 5. Then add their exponent. Minus 5 plus 3 divided by denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ only 5 raised to minus 7 remaining. 5 raised to minus 7. So next to simplify this as 5 raised to minus 5 plus 3, it is 5 raised to minus 2 divided by 5 raised to minus 7 is there. It goes to numerator and it becomes plus 7. So 5 raised to minus 2 plus 7, it gives 5 raised to plus 7 minus 2, it is plus 5. So 5 raised to 5 remains. This is what our answer, 5 raised to 5. So here the correct option is A wrong, B wrong, C wrong. It matches with option D. So here the correct answer is option D. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 43 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. 4 cube into 6 square whole power n is equal to dash. Option A 4 raised to 3n into 6 square. Option B 4 raised to 3n into 6 raised to 2n. Option C, 4 raised to 2n into 6 raised to 2n. Option D, 4 raised to 3n into 6 raised to 3n. Here, the given expression is 4 cube into 6 square whole to the power n. So, let me write it separately as 4 raised to 3 raised to n into 6 raised to 2 raised to n. Okay. Then 4 raised to 3 into n is nothing but 4 raised to 3n into 6 raised to 2 n is nothing but 6 raised to 2 into n. We cannot simplify next or further because both the bases are different. If suppose they have the same base, we can do the calculation one more step. But here both contain the different bases. So stop here. This is our answer. It match with option, sorry, not D because it is 3n. It match with the option B. Remaining all are wrong. So the correct answer is option B. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 44 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. 7 raised to minus 3 into 7 cube is equal to dash. Option A 0, option B 1, option C minus 1, option D 7. So here 7 raised to minus 3 into 7 cube. Remove this minus sign. So 7 raised to minus 3 becomes 1 by 7 raised to 3 into, write this as it is 7 raised to 3. So now it becomes 1 into 7 raised to 3 is 7 raised to 3 divided by denominator already contains 7 raised to 3. So both get cancels out. 7 raised to 3 ones are 7 raised to 3. So it gives 1. Hence the correct answer is option B 1. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 45 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. The value of 27 by 125 whole raised to minus 2 by 3 is dash. Option A 3 by 5, option B 3 by 5 whole raised to minus 1, option C 5 by 3 whole square, option D 3 by 5 the whole square. So the value of 27 by 125 whole to the power minus 2 by 3. This is our given number. Okay. Let me express the base number as powers. Express the base numbers as powers. So here 27 is that it express this as power. So it is actually the 3 cube. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. Similarly, 125 is that it is also 5 cube. 5 should multiply 3 times, we get 125. Now it is converted as base number is converted as exponent and power form. Okay. Now substitute this two in the given expression. We get in the place of 27, now we have to take 3 cube and divided by, in the place of 125 it should be 5 cube whole raised to minus 2 by 3. Okay. Whole raised to minus 2 by 3. Or we can write it as, take one more bracket extra and then write 3 by 5, both contain the power 3. So 3 by 5 the whole cube and then outer it is minus 2 by 3. This is apply for all. Okay. Now simplify this one. This is in the form of, I will write here. So apply rule. Apply rule. That rule tells that a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Similarly, here 3 by 5 the whole cube is in the place of a raised to m. In the place of n, minus 2 by 3 is that. So apply the same formula and multiply the powers. We get 3 by 5 whole raised to 3 into minus 2 by 3 according to the rule. Okay. So it is a raised to m into n. Similarly, here 3 into minus 2 by 3. So 3 is in numerator, 3 denominator, 3 get cancels out. The remaining thing is 3 by 5 whole raised to minus 2 because 3 and 3 get cancels out. Now remove this negative sign, means it indicates the inverse. So 3 by 5 inverse is nothing but 5 by 3. Write that 2 as it is. So it becomes 5 by 3 the whole square. 5 by 3 the whole square. This is our answer. So it match with option C. Remaining all are wrong. Here the correct answer is option C. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 46 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. Choose the correct matching. Column 1, column 2 are given. Column 1 contain, in that first one, x raised to a divided by y raised to b. Second one, xy whole raised to minus a. Third one, x raised to a into y raised to a. In second column, a 1 by x into y whole raised to a. B, xy whole raised to a. C, x raised to a minus b. Okay. These all are the given options. Let us start to match the column 1 with 2. Column 1 in that first one is x raised to a by y raised to b. Here we should apply quotient rule. Apply quotient rule. That rule tells that x raised to m divided by x raised to n is equal to x raised to m minus n. Similarly, here x raised to a by y raised to b, it becomes x raised to a minus b. So, C first match with the column second C. Okay. Next, second one, x into y whole raised to minus a. So it is 1 by xy raised to a because minus indicate the inverse. So xy inverse is 1 by x, 1 by xy. So whole raised to a. Column 2 in that it second one match with the column 2a. Okay. Next, third one, x raised to a into y raised to a, it becomes x into y whole raised to a because both contain the same power. Okay. So x into y whole raised to a. Hence B match with third one. So first one C, second one match with A, third one match with B. So our answer is option C. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 47 of the chapter NMMS Maths, Exponents and Powers. Minus 4 whole raised to minus 3 is equal to dash. Option A minus 64, option B 64, option C 1 by 64, option D minus 1 by 64. The given number is minus 4 whole to the power minus 3. Apply the formula or rule that tells that a raised to minus n is nothing but 1 by a raised to n. Okay. Similarly, here in the place of a minus 4 is there. In the place of minus n minus 3 is there. So this becomes 1 divided by minus 4 whole to the power plus 3. Then 1 by minus 4 raised to 3 is nothing but minus 4 should be multiplied 3 times. Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. We get 1 divided by minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16. Then plus 16 into minus 4. It is minus 64. Okay. Or we can write it as minus 1 by 64. So minus 4 whole to the power minus 3 answer is minus 1 by 64. Here the correct answer is option D, minus 1 by 64. Minus 1 by 64. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 48 of the chapter Powers and Exponents. 27 divided by 125, the whole 27 divided by 125 whole to the power 2 by 3 is equal to dash. Option A 3 by 5, option B 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 1, C 5 by 3 whole to the power 2, D 3 by 5 the whole to the power 2. So here 27 divided by 125 the whole to the power 2 by 3. So here 27 and 125 are in the form of base. First express the base number as powers. Express the base number as powers. So 27, it is value 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. Now it can convert as base number to exponents and powers. Okay, so 125 is the 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5, it gives 125. Now, both the base number is converted as powers. Apply this in the given expression. In the place of 27, it is 3 cube. Divided by, in the place of 125, it is 5 cube. Whole to the power 2 by 3. We can write it as take one more bracket, and 3 by 5 both contain the power same. So we can take it as whole power. 3 by 5 the whole power 3, and this whole term power is 2 by 3. Again, as per the rule of a raised to m into n, it's equal to a raised to m into n. So here also this term becomes 3 by 5 whole raised to 3 into 2 by 3. 3 get cancels out. The remaining term is 3 by 5, the whole square remains. So this is our answer. So here the correct answer is option D. 3 by 5, the whole square. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 49 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. A raised to minus 1 divided by a raised to minus 1 plus b raised to minus 1 plus a raised to minus 1 divided by a raised to minus 1 minus b raised to minus 1 is equal to dash. Option A 2b square by b square minus a square, B 2a square by b square minus a square, C minus 2b square by a square minus b square, D minus 2a square by a square minus b square. Here the given term is a raised to minus 1 divided by a raised to minus 1 plus b raised to minus 1 plus a raised to minus 1 divided by a raised to minus 1 minus b raised to minus 1. Now remove all this negative sign. It indicates that inverse. So a inverse of 1 is there. It becomes 1 by a whole divided by a inverse a raised to minus 1 plus b raised to minus 1. 1 by a plus 1 by b. Okay. Plus A inverse is 1 by A whole divided by A raised to minus 1 minus B raised to minus 1. 1 by A minus 1 by B. Now take the LCM and simplify the terms. Write the numerator as it is. So it becomes 1 by A into. So 1 by A plus 1 by B. Take LCM, it gives AB by A plus B, okay, or B plus A. It gives AB by A plus B. So here it goes to numerator, it convert as AB by B plus A. Or I will write the step wise. Write numerator as it is. It is 1 by A divided by. Take the LCM for 1 by A plus 1 by B. What we get? Actually, it is AB B plus A by A into B. Okay. Plus, write numerator as it is divided by 1 by A minus 1 by B is that. So it is B minus A divided by A into B. Okay. Next term I will write here. So take this denominator term and multiply it with the numerator. So it becomes reciprocal. Okay. So 1 by A is our numerator. Denominator contain B plus A by AB. So this AB goes to numerator and multiply it as AB by B plus A. Plus, this is first term. Then second term, numerator is 1 by A into 1 by A into this denominator term goes to numerator and again it multiply that AB divided by B minus A. Now, if similar terms are there, then cancel it out. Here A is numerator and denominator both contain A, so A term get vanished. In second one also A get cancels out. Okay. What remains here? In numerator only B remains. B divided by B plus A remains in the first term. This term plus here also B divided by B minus A remains. Okay. Now again take LCM for these two terms we get. Actually LCM is in denominator it is B plus A into B minus A. Okay. Numerator it becomes B into B minus A plus B into B plus A. This is for the LCM term. Now multiply numerators B into B square minus A into B. So this term becomes B square minus A into B plus second term B into B is B square plus AB divided by, write the numerator as numerator is in the formula of A plus B into A minus B. We know that A plus B into A minus B is nothing but A square minus B square. So apply this formula here. That's why denominator contain B plus A into B minus A. It becomes B square minus A square on the basis of the formula. Okay. Now cancel the common terms in the numerator. Only A into B minus A into B plus A into B cancels out. Then b square plus b square divided by b square minus a square remains. So b square plus b square is 2b square divided by b square minus a square. This is what our answer. 2b square divided by b square minus a square. So correct option is option A. Remaining all are wrong. 2b square by b square minus a square. Hence the correct answer is option A. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 50 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. 1000 raised to 7 divided by 10 raised to 18 is equal to what? Option A 1 lakh, option B 10,000, option C 100, option D 1000. Okay, so here given number is 1000 raised to 7 divided by 10 raised to 18 is there. Okay, divided by hೀಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ, both are same. So here 1000 is in the form of base, so express that number 1000 as power. Express base number 1000 as powers. Express base number 1000 as power. So here 1000 is nothing but it is the 10 cube, because 10 into 10 into 10 is 1000. Therefore 1000 raised to 7 is nothing but 10 cube whole to the power 7. So now rewrite the expression. In the place of 1000 we get 10 cube raised to 7 divided by 10 raised to 18. So here 7 into 3, 10 raised to 7 into 3 is 21. 10 raised to 21 divided by 10 raised to 18. So as per the rule, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Similarly here 10 raised to 21 divided by 10 raised to 18, base is common. So write it 10, 21 minus 18. What we get? It is 10 raised to plus 3. 10 raised to plus 3 is nothing but 10 into 10 into 10, it is 1000. So here the answer is 1000. Hence the correct option is option D, 1000. Remaining all are wrong. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 51 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. The value of square root 5 raised to 5 is what? Option A, minus 5 by 2. Option B, 5 by 2. Option C, 5. Option D, 5 raised to 5 by 2. Here the value of square root of 5 raised to 5. Square root 5 raised to 5 is what? So here we can write the square root as 1 by 2. Okay, so 5 raised to 5 raised to 1 by 2. It is nothing but square root is 1 by 2. Now it is in the form of a raised to m raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m into n. So 5 raised to 5 raised to 1 by 2, it becomes 5 raised to 5 into 1 by 2 is nothing but 5 raised to 5 by 2. Okay, 5 raised to 5 by 2. So here the correct option is option D, 5 raised to 5 by 2. Remaining all are wrong. So option D is the correct answer. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 52 of the chapter Exponent and Powers. The reciprocal of minus 2 by 5 the whole square is dash. Option A minus 4 by 25, option B 4 by 25, option C minus 25 by 4, option D 25 by 4. The reciprocal of minus 2 by 5 the whole square. This is what the given number in the question. First we will find out the answer for this one and later we can calculate the reciprocal. So first minus 2 by 5 the whole square is there. I will write it as separately, numerator separately and denominator. So minus 2 the whole square divided by 5 the whole square. So minus 2 the whole square is nothing but minus 2 into minus 2 minus minus plus 2 into 2 is 4 plus 4 divided by 5 5s are 25. So 4 by 25 is the answer for minus 2 by 5 the whole square. This is not our final answer. They asked to find out the reciprocal of this one. So reciprocal means reverse. Numerator goes to denominator, denominator comes to numerator, like that. Reciprocal of 4 by 25 is 25 by 4. This is what our answer. So here the correct option is option D, 25 by 4. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 53 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. 256 raised to 0.16 into 256 raised to 0.09 is equal to what? Option A 16, option B 64, option C 4, option D 32. Here given number is 256 raised to 0.16 into 256 raised to 0.09. So apply the rule for this one. It is a raised to m into a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m plus n, because both having the same bases. Here also 256 and 256 base is same. Okay. So take it as 256 raised to, base is same. That's why apply this formula. Add the powers. 0.16 plus 0.09. We get 256 raised to 0.25. When we add this 0.16 into plus 0.09, we get 0.25. 0.25 is nothing but 1 by 4. Okay. So in the place of 0.25, take 1 by 4. 256 raised to 1 by 4. Both are same. This one and this one. Okay. Or we can write it as or 256 raised to 1 by 4. So change this 256 or express base number 256 as power. So 256, when we are going to convert this 256 as power, we get it is actually here 256 raised to 1 by 4. It is converted as power. We get 4 raised to 4. Because 4 is multiplied 4 times, we get 256 raised to 1 by 4. So we get 4 raised to, here 4 and 4 numerator, 4 raised to 4 by 4 it becomes. So 4 get cancels out. We get only 4. This is what the answer for this given number. So here the correct option is option C. Remaining all are wrong. Answer C. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 54 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. The value of 5 raised to x minus y into 5 raised to y minus z into 5 raised to z minus x is equal to dash. Option A 0, option B 1, option C 5, option D x plus y plus z. Okay. So our given expression 5 raised to x minus y into 5 raised to y minus z into 5 raised to z minus x. So here, look at their bases. All these three numbers contain the same base. So according to the rule, they have the same base. We can take that base as it is and add the all exponents. So the rule a raised to m into a raised to n, we get a raised to m plus n. Similar rule follows here. So base is same. That's why 5 raised to. First term is x minus y. Second term, add this plus y minus z. Then third term is also plus z minus x. Now simplify. Plus x minus x cancels out. Or we can write similar numbers one side. Okay. Similar variables. X plus x is there, in end it is minus x, then minus y is there in next plus y, then minus z is there next plus z. So look at their signs. Plus x minus x cancels out, plus y minus y cancels out, plus z minus z cancels out. What remains? Simply it is 5 raised to 0. Okay, as we know, non-zero number which is having the power 0, it is always considered as 1. So 5 raised to 0 is 1 only. And here the correct option is option B. Remaining all wrong. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 55 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. If 3 raised to a into 3 raised to b into 3 raised to c is equal to 243, the average value of a, b and c is option A 6, option B 3, option C 9 by 2, option D 5 by 3. So here the given number is 3 raised to a into 3 raised to b into 3 raised to c is equal to 243. Look at their base. All these three numbers contain same base. So according to the rule, if the number contain the same base, take it as it is common and add their exponent. So here 3, add all a plus b plus c is equal to 243. Now this 243 is base number, convert it as a power. So 243 as a power, or express base number 243, express base number 243 as power. So 243 is the power of 3 raised to 5. 3 should multiply 5 times, we get 243. So in the place of 243, we have to take 3 raised to 5. Now this expression becomes 3 raised to a plus b plus c is equal to 3 raised to 5. Okay, is equal to 3 raised to 5. Now, LHS and RHS have the same base. So, equate their exponents. Sorry, equate their powers. Okay. So, A plus B plus C is equal to 5. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆಗ ಆ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಂಟೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬೇಸ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 3. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ದರ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್. A plus B plus C is equal to 5. Now we want to calculate the average for ABC. Apply the formula average is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 3, because A, B, C, three alphabets are there, divide it with the 3. We know that how to calculate the average. Similar way, here we will calculate the average for ABC. So A plus B plus C by 3. As we know, A plus B plus C is 5. Okay, substitute A plus B plus C, which is equal to 5 in, let me take it as equation 1, in equation 1. So, average is equal to, in the place of A plus B plus C, it is 5 and divided by 3, right, as it is. This is what the average of ABC. So, here the correct answer is option D. Remaining all are wrong. Answer D. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 56 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. The value of 3 raised to minus 2 whole power 3 into 3 raised to minus 4 divided by 3 raised to minus 5 is equal to dash. Option A 1 by 24 square. Option B 1 by 3 raised to 5. Option C 1 by 243. Option D, both B and C. Here the given number is 3 raised to minus 2 whole power 3 into 3 raised to minus 4 divided by 3 raised to minus 5. So apply the rule 1 and simplify. Now we can take this first term as A raised to M raised to N form. It becomes A raised to M into N. So 3 raised to minus 2, the whole cube, it becomes 3 raised to minus 6. Write the remaining term as it is. Minus 4 divided by 3 raised to minus 5. Now simplify further. 3 raised to minus 6 into 3 raised to minus 4. Both contain the same base. So apply the formula of A raised to M into A raised to N, which is equal to A raised to M plus N. Similarly, 3 raised to minus 6 into 3 raised to minus 4. It is 3 raised to minus 6 plus of minus 4. Okay. Divided by, write this denominator as it is. We get in numerator 3 raised to minus 6 plus minus 4 plus minus minus. So 3 raised to minus 6 minus 4, it becomes 3 raised to minus 10 divided by 3 raised to minus 5. Now it is in the form of A raised to M divided by A raised to N is equal to A raised to M minus N. Okay. Apply the rules. Stepwise, a raised to m by a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m minus n. Apply this formula, we get 3 and 3. Numerator, denominator having the same base. So 3 raised to minus 10 is that. This minus 5 goes to numerator and it becomes plus. Already ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವೈಸ್. 3 raised to minus 10, right, as it is. This minus 5 goes, so according to the formula it is minus, then again minus 5. Okay, 3 raised to minus 10, minus of minus plus, plus 5, it gives 3 raised to minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5. So remove this minus sign. We can write it as 1 by 3 raised to 5. It is nothing but 1 by 243. So here we can conclude that this given expression is, we can write in two form. One is 1 by 3 raised to 5 and another one is 1 by 243. Both are same. So here option A is fully wrong. Option B, we can write it as it is 1 by 3 raised to 5 and we can follow the 3 C also, 1 by 243. So we can say that both B and C are correct. Hence here the answer is D, both B and C. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 57 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. If x, y, z is equal to 0, the value of a raised to x whole to the power yz plus a raised to y whole raised to zx plus a raised to z whole raised to xy is equal to dash. Option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. Here the given expression is a raised to x whole to the power yz plus a raised to y whole to the power zx plus a raised to z whole to the power xy. So if x, y, z product is 0, this is what the given question. Now we will simplify this 3 terms first. A raised to x into yz. So it becomes a raised to x into y into z, because in the form of a raised to m raised to n, a raised to m into n. Similarly here also. Plus, come to second, a raised to y whole raised to zx. It is also a raised to x into y into z. Plus, a raised to z whole raised to xy. It is a raised to x into y into z. Okay. Now apply. If x, y, z, we should apply x is equal to 0. So a raised to, in the place of x 0 plus a raised to, in the place of x, y, z 0 plus a raised to, in the place of x, y, z again it is 0. What we get? A raised to 0 plus a raised to 0 plus a raised to 0. Any non-zero number which can be raised to the power of 0, which is always equal to 1. Okay, so a raised to 0 is 1 plus a raised to 0 is 1 plus a raised to 0 is 1. Finally, we get 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So here option D is the correct answer. Remaining all are wrong. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 58 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. The value of cube root of 27 by 64 is dash. Option A 4 by 3, option B 3 by 4, option C 9 by 16, option D 16 by 9. So cube root of 27 by 64 is given. Okay. Let we convert this 27 and 64 as power. So express base numbers 27 and 64 as power. So cube root of 27 can express in power, so we can write it as 3 cube. Okay, 3 cube divided by 64 is there? No, it is actually 4 cube. 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. So now it becomes cube root of 3 cube by 4 cube. So we can write it as cube root of 3 by 4 the whole cube, because both numerator and denominator contain the same power. Okay. Now remove this cube root. Cube root is nothing but it is 1 by 3. So it becomes 3 by 4 whole raised to 3 raised to 1 by 3. Now it is in the form of a raised to m raised to n. It is equal to a raised to m into n. Okay. Apply this formula here, we get which is equal to 3 by 4 raised to 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 get cancels out. Remaining is 3 by 4. This is what our answer. So cube root of 27 by 64 is 3 by 4. Hence the correct option is option B, 3 by 4. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Let us see question number 59 of the chapter Exponents and Powers. The value of 4 by minus 3 raised to minus 3 whole to the power 2 is dash. Option A 3 by 4, option B 1024 by 243, option C 729 by 4096, option D minus 3 by 4. Okay. So find out the value for 4 by minus 3 whole raised to minus 3 to the whole power 2. Okay, this is in the form of a raised to m raised to n again. Okay, a raised to m into n. Now the expression 4 by minus 3 minus 2 into minus 3 into 2. We get 4 by minus 3 raised to minus 6. 3 into 2 is 6 raised to minus 6. So remove this minus sign. What we do? So again, one more formula is there. It is a by b raised to minus n, which is equal to b by a whole raised to n. Apply this formula. Okay, apply this formula for this expression. Then we get, I will write here next term. Okay. So I will write again 4 by minus 3 whole raised to minus 6 is there. No, apply this formula. Apply this formula for this one. We get is equal to reciprocal. So minus 3 goes to numerator, 4 comes to denominator, and it is positive plus 6. So now we get the final step, that is minus 3 by 4 whole raised to 6. I will write that numerator and denominator separately. Minus 3 raised to 6 divided by 4 raised to 6. So we get minus 3 raised to 6. Minus 3 into minus 3, it gives plus 3. So pair, totally 3 pairs are there, endly it gives plus only. So here 3 raised to 6 is 729 divided by 4 raised to 6. 4 should be multiplied 4 times. We get 4096. This is what the answer for given question, that is 4 by minus 3 whole power minus 3 whole to the power 2. The answer is 729 by 4096. So option C is the correct answer. Remaining all are wrong. Option answer is C. Thank you.